this one is the sketch driven pattern, and today this is tutorial number 19, and today we go through the sketch driven pattern, table driven pattern and fill pattern. First of all, we have the similar geometry which we have created last time in our tutorial number 18. Okay, we have created a slot. Go to the feature and extrude out this one. Okay, so we have a pattern. Now we use the sketch driven pattern feature. So these points are different sketches where we want this pattern to be followed. Okay, features, sketch driven pattern. Now we select this feature and we select the path also. So first of all we select the sketch and now we select the feature which we want to be sketched again. So we have done with this one. Okay, this one is so simple. So we can draw any sketch where we want to be go through this sketch again and again. Okay, so the next one is the table driven pattern. This is also simple. So this one is the table driven pattern, again in the same window. So this time draw a polygon. Okay, this one is pentagon, sorry. Okay. There is some problem with the mouse. Okay, now done. Revolve cut. Oh sorry, this is extrude cut, not revolve cut. Okay, so we have got this one. So now we have the pattern which we can sketch again. Okay, so first of all we can also specify another coordinate axis according to which we give the horizontal and the vertical distances for that patterns to be followed. Okay, so this is in our another coordinate system. So go to now one notepad and make a table for the horizontal and the vertical distances. So first one is 10 with respect to the coordinate axis. Second one is 20. First one is the x-axis distance and second one is the vertical axis distance. Now save this is file. Okay, table 2. Okay, saved. Now this one is saved. Now go to the linear pattern and from that one open the arrow below, click on it and open the table driven pattern. Browse or table, which is text files. Okay, so the table is created. With the x-axis and vertical axis distances. Now we can choose the features to copy, faces to copy, and on which face we want it to be copied. Okay, so we have this one, features which we want to be copied. Select this one. Okay, got extrude 9. So this pattern is created here. according to our specified distances, which are vertical and horizontal. We can also change them here. By double clicking, we can change the distances. Okay, maybe 25 to spread it from the other ones. You can also specify the vertical distances. Okay, this one is 30. This one is 50. This one is also 50. So this pattern is copied, and we have drawn this using the table driven pattern feature. So we are left one more, which is the fill pattern. So go to the fill pattern. This is here in the linear pattern menu. The sketch, and in all the pattern, first we have to draw the part or the geometry which we want to be copied. Okay, let's do put this one. Now we go to the fill pattern menu. Okay, so we choose the edge or the face where we want this pattern to be copied, and we set the number of the parameters, the inner distances between them. Here we select the features which we want to be copied, so we select this one. Okay, here we can choose Cortex 210. Okay, now we have these different types of the pattern. We can work on them and change them. They are also changed with respect to the number of the parameter and the distances between them. There are so much advantages now. Okay, this seems good. So you can use these fill patterns. Window also. Okay, so this one is the fill patterns. We hope you understand this very clearly. So this is the validate count, review, verify. Okay, so we have created this pattern on this face, and we have created this very easily.